Press E to extrude the face region. Move the face along Z-axis by pressing G plus Z. Now press Ctrl plus B to bevel the face region. Go to Object Mode and add a new cube mesh to the Blender scene. Scale the cube along X, Y, and Z axis and place it to the correct location in the three-dimensional plane. Now press Ctrl plus B to bevel the one face of this cuboid. Go to Object Mode and select the two solids. Now press Ctrl plus J to join the two shapes. Select the camera from Scene Collection and press on Video Recorder icon. Then go to View, Navigation, and then click on Fly Navigation and navigate the camera to correct location using WAS and D keyboard keys. Now click on Render option and then click on Render Image. Now click on Image and the Save as to save the image file to your computer. Congratulations! Now you can open your image file. A few other videos are coming very soon on Blender problems. You can subscribe to channel if you are enjoying and new to Blender like me. Thanks for watching.